This is my Winchester 1892 Takedown Deluxe rifle. This rifle was built by Turnbull Restoration. It has a grade 5.6 American walnut stock. It has Turnbull's beautiful case color hardening on the receiver, also on the lever and the hammer, the butt plate, the receiver extension, and the forearm tip. It has 20 line per inch checkering. It has a reproduction of the Winchester model 26A rear sight. The 26A sight really is a black powder sight. The 26B was the traditional sight for smokeless powder chamberings, and it had an adjustable riser piece for fine-tuning the elevation adjustment. It has a 26-to-1 twist rate. It's made by Moroku in Japan under license of the Olin Corporation. Olin has owned the Winchester name since 1931. It has a marble front sight with a 1/16 inch bead. When I originally got the rifle, it shot low with both Magnum and special loads. It had a front sight that was 0.410 inches tall, and I replaced that with a sight that's 0.350 inches. It does have a tapered octagon barrel. It has a traditional in the white muzzle. My rifle's marked for 44 Magnum only, but it does really well with both Magnums and specials. Feeds and cycles without a problem. It'll even feed semi-wad cutters. Turnbull removes the tang safety. They fill the hole and roll stamp Winchester in its place. They convert the hammer from rebounding to half cock. They also convert the firing pin so it doesn't have a firing pin block safety. It has the traditional firing pin. It has a nice case hardened shotgun butt. It also has another traditional Winchester feature. The wood is very slightly proud of the metal. Winchester originally did that to compensate for the wear that rifles would receive on the frontier.